Okay, how's everyone doing? This is Chima here again, and just an update on the model account. If you remember where we started with this, um, just for the members of our club, wanted to show them that you can take a small account like $1,000 and grow it over time. And so we started out in September, the last week in September. So in essence, we've just done October, November, December, January, so about 16 months into the account. And so the account is this one here. And right now we have made what, $3,248 on top of the 1,000. So it's about 324% return on the money right now. And if we take a the look at the MyFX book um, account, you can see here is all third party verified. I say this every time. But yes, 324%. Yeah, last month we did. So this is the first of just almost 1 a.m. 1st of February. And just to show we've done, yes, the 324% on the account. Last month we did 28%, and this is where we came from. So we came from here, 14%, 57%, 30%, 40%. And yeah, like I said in some previous months, we had a massive drawdown here in December. We've just maintained that was what gave us this 30%, but that was a massive drawdown. But we've just maintained less than 10% on that kind of return. Is Yeah, it's just again evidence that it can be done. You just need to do it right, and that's how the profit curve has been in that time. So from September to end of January. So we've done over 300% in 16 weeks. And we will just keep doing this and see where we can take this account to just demonstrate that it can be done, as it were. So I just received Sunday 22/29. So by 10:30 p.m. UK time, we received the monthly statement on that account. So that's it here. You can see it here clearly is the account, um, and it's my name there. And those were the trades from close trades from the 4th of January. And in the month did profits of about $1,000 on the account, um, and just paid some swap and commission. So the swap and commission took it down to just um, yeah, 927. Yeah. And basically what are we doing on this account is just trading the 5TT um, systems. Just like tonight we have a gap trade on GBP and ZD, and we can see that trade is in profit right now. We take 5TT wave strategy as well. This was a lovely Euro JPY trade from last week. And by the way, this model account, I'm actually doing only mainly GBP USD and GBP NZD on this account. And it's all based off 5TT systems, as it were. So just an update to show you we've done 300% in over 300% in about 16 weeks. Okay, just have 4 months, isn't it? Yeah, something like that. Okay, so let's see where that will take us as we just keep adding on it. in the coming weeks and months. Again, as an encouragement to any new trader out there, any small account trader out there, that you can do this. Just stay at it, master the strategies, work on your mindset, and then just take the trade and be disciplined. Okay. So, any questions, please do come back to us. At You can reach me directly at chima at 5ttprofitclub.com. Chima at 5ttprofitclub.com. And if you want to know more about the 5TT Profit Club, where we, but if you just have interest in trading, just recently heard about Forex or the stock market or cryptocurrencies, and you clearly don't know how to start, that's what we are good at, helping traders make that move into the market with discipline. And if you're trading already, but you're not seeing the kind of profits you would love to see, then yes, it's also a place for you. We're a community, growing community, um, and constantly supporting ourselves to that place of financial freedom for most folks. And just knowing how to trade is a great skill to have. So why not join us, see more about what we do. The link on this page should give you a bit more information about the 5TT Profit Club, and then Five Talents Trader just as a whole. Okay, until next time, you take care, and just stay disciplined, and let's make some money. All right, cheers.